fletchings, copper bopper, flaker, pencil, glue, sinew. Managed to get a hold of some obsidian flakes, so we'll work with this one and we'll knap that into a point. I think I'll just play some music over this part. If I need to explain something, I'll tell you. So as you see, it broke right here. That's okay.
Look like a AK-47 or something.
I think it's Hawthorne. I'll write down right here. I'll write the name of the wood I'm using. But they usually grow in straight shafts, so perfect for making arrows. They have a nice heavy weight to them. Like doing the wooden dowel stuff. So basically, I like making my own. So right now, I harvested this one earlier, and right now I'm just scraping the bark off with just an ordinary pocket knife.
Isn't that the bark really easy to scrape off, or your knife is really sharp?
It helps when you have a really sharp knife. So, and if you guys are wondering, I'm using a Gerber. Okay, there we go. So, I'm not exactly sure the model, but it's a Gerber. And I want to thank one of the subscribers that came into my shop. He gave me this knife. So, it was much appreciated. So yeah, basically what you want to do is, can't see because of light, is just scrape off the bark. Sometimes there's little thorns that stick out. You want to shave those off. Right, you want to try to get this as smooth as possible, so when you shoot it, you know, it doesn't go in any splinters or anything like that go into your hand. And all I'm doing is taking my knife blade, sticking on the wood. I'm not pressing down to score it. I'm just putting it on the wood and just scraping it along the bark. Speaking of hunting and arrows, if you guys like hunting with just bow and arrows, there's a great channel. One of Jill's friends and friend of the channel, Arrows to Hunt in the Wild. Go check them out. I'll leave a link right here or here, wherever it pops up. I'm going to leave a link to that channel. Go over. They do very good videography. Their editing's on par. It is based out of Quebec, so they do speak French, but just take a look at the channel. You'll fall in love with the video quality of that channel. He does a really cool shot for the bottle cap challenge at, what was it, 20 yards, something like that away, hitting a bottle cap. And so he uses a recurve bow, no, compound bow, and 20 yards with a I believe a fiberglass arrow, and he manages to spin the bottle cap off there. Looks really cool. So
Tell me, Grandmaster,
Hmm?
your wood is not dry when you do that with it.
No, like basically what you want to do, like if you're going to do it properly, this is what is known as a green arrow. If you want to do it properly, you do all this heat and straightening, put it someplace for about 3 months, let the wood season, and then you can do it and sand it off and everything. But I like using green arrows, and yeah. So basically, once you bend them, they're not as strong as a seasoned arrow, but they're still doable. So there you go. Still got a little bit right there, but she should be fine. So just some, wait, there we go. Just some goose feathers, Canada goose. What you want to do is pick feathers from all the same side. Got these 3 here. There we go. And we'll prep those for the fletchings. Just making the knocks at both ends. One for the string. There we go. And then flip it around. And then one for the arrowhead. The same arrowhead we napped earlier. So we're going to want to take some pine pitch glue. Warm that up just a tad. There we go. And then we're going to take some deer sinew. And wrap it around that. There we go. Where's that? There we go. Now we're just going to heat that up a little bit more, smooth it out with our fingers. Hmm? The gooey black stuff is pine pitch glue. We're going to want to break off some sinew. Put it in the mouth. Do a couple wraps just to Get it on there. This is just a deer leg sinew. If you want to figure out how to harvest deer leg sinew, I got a video and I'll link it down below as well. Look at him, just wet it in the mouth. Good. Wrap it around the shaft. Now our point's on. There we go. Knock feather. You turn it 90 degrees. And you line it up to that. Are you going to the big one or just right here?
Okay.
Yep. You gotta make sure you don't get eaten by wolves or anything.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I know.
For the third one, same thing. 90 degrees. And that last one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Welcome back. The wolves didn't get you. There we go. Now we do a couple wraps. Line up the next one. Do a couple wraps. Last one. Do a couple wraps. I'm trying to shoot a video here.
Don't you see I'm trying to stay warm here?
Yeah, it is pretty cold. We are, what, minus... We're at 0 degrees right now, something like that. So, there we go, guys. Where's it? There it is. Alright guys, I hope you found this informative. Until next time, it's too late to shoot the arrow anyways. It's not safe and all that fun stuff. Might end up shooting one of the other campers or whatever. So anyways, but until next time, as always, stay safe out there. Cheers.